Hey guys, it's Smokey Bear X. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to transfer funds between your accounts on Wealthsimple. So what you guys want to do, it's really simple. If you guys don't have this option, it's this brand new feature called Trade Your Cryptos Transfers here. If you guys don't have it, remember it's really simple. Just click on it and then you just transfer. But if you don't have this option, what you want to do is you want to go to personal. For personal, you want to go to funding. After funding, you want to go to transfer funds, and then from there on you can literally pick how much money you have in your available funds, and you can transfer between your crypto, TFSA, different type of account. For example, I'm going to be taking TFSA. So what I want to do, I just put the amount. I'm just going to put $9. Since I only have $9.70 available, from there on I'm just going to transfer it, guys. However, it's going to take 3 business days for the order to be complete. So which kind of sucks, but it literally, and then I also get a reminder that saying the money is no longer available. And if you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.